Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Willis Talk, part 2 at the carousel. And up there, if you take a look, you can see an old carousel music box. This would be set alongside of most of the carousels that would be moved around. And then, of course, you got a couple penny machines over there, along with an old ticket booth. Yes sirree. And for those people that like their popcorn, peanuts, and Cracker Jacks, we got an interesting machine right here. We got cotton candy, we got popcorn right there, and the prices are right there. Let's see, it's not showing up too well. Let's see, there we go. $3 for cotton candy, $1 for a drink, and $1.50 for popcorn. And of course, this is the carousel. Zoom out here. One of the very last carousels still in functionality. First knew about carousels back with Disneyland and Pixieland. And of course they got a little gate all the way around it. Now ain't that a beauty? Slip right through here and take a continuance. There we go, folks. And for those pioneer people that's just gotta have a ride, there you go. Old wagon with wagon wheels. Hey, don't get around no Indians. They might get you. And then they have a workshop with another one. There we go. And let's take a look at the glass case before we go. List of kind donors, committees, and founding boards. Guest book too. Yes sirree, Willis Talk has been here. And lastly but not least, the carousel glass case. Whoops, sorry for the camera malfunction. It's all part of the show. See, look, it's part of the show. Look at that, look at that. It takes a lot of dedication and artwork. No fun facts here. Some of the strangest tools that you might not never think of. And one last look at the carousel. And there we go. Let's see if it starts up anytime soon here. I really love that one. And that's all for this episode of Willis Talk. If you want to come down and take a look at the carousel, mind you, it's right as you come in to Salem on your right if you're coming in from Dallas. Look at the description and hours down below as well as the address. Until next time, everybody, loving talk.